Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord audio issues. No sound is coming out. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that I would need you to do is to troubleshoot first. So first start by restarting your computer, and you want to test out if the problem is now working after that restart. But if not, then you could go try and play some videos in your PC or your phone. So you want to go, for example, in YouTube, or you can just play any video file on your computer and try if there is a sound coming out. And if there is none, then that would mean that there is a problem with your system. Or if there is sound coming out, then it's probably on just a Discord application. And once you have done that, then we can now proceed to the next step. So if you don't have sound coming out, then you can go here into your start menu, and from here you want to type in sound, and from here you would be able to see the sound settings system. So click on it. So click on the sound settings, and from here click on sound control panel, and from here you would see a bunch of a sound device right here. So in my case it will be the speaker right here. This is the one that I'm using. So I'm gonna go click in right here, and you wanna set this as a default right here. Click on it, set as default, and then you're good to go right here. And after that, you can also choose the output right here. So make sure that you have the correct output for your speaker or whatever output device you are using right here. It may be a headphone or something like that. Then make sure to choose it right here correctly, or in the sound control panel. And after that, after you have done this and the problem still persists, then we can now proceed to the next step. So now the next one would be going into our Discord application. So let's open up Discord right here. Open Discord app in your PC, and from here you want to go here into the user settings. But let's just assume that you're here. So once you open your Discord, you will be prompted here. So click here on the user settings. So click on it. And from here you want to find the video, the voice and video right here. Voice and video option. And from here you want to scroll down until you see the audio option right here. This one right here, audio subsystem. Until you see this one right here, you want to make sure that you test all of them right here. So for example, if you are currently on legacy and something is wrong, then you can change on standard and see if the problem has been solved, or here on experimental. So you want to choose what is the best for you right here. But if all three of them is not solving the problem, then we can proceed to the next step. So the next step would be reinstalling your Discord app. So that would mean that you need to uninstall it by going into the start menu and click on uninstall, type in uninstall, and you would be able to see this add or remove programs. And you want to go here into your settings. So from here you want to search Discord right here, as you can see right here. Then you want to click on uninstall, and after that you want to install your Discord again right here in the discord.com right here. But if you have successfully reinstalled it and the problem still persists, then what I can recommend you as a last resort is that you need to open Discord in your browser right here. So log in your Discord here in the Discord browser, because this is a surefire way so that you would know that the problem is not in your Discord app. So if the problem is still persisting right here, then it is highly likely that the problem is in your system and you need to do something about it. Maybe it's a physical problem, which means you need to replace your audio jacks or something like that. So you need to find a problem, the problem, so that you could have a solution for it. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.